Very happy good morning to all my dear students. Students, in the last class, yes, we have started the chapter 3 and in the part 1 we have seen the parts of notepad screen. Okay, so today we are going to start, yes, the practical part. Okay, so this is very important video. Okay, so please pay attention. Be ready with your textbook. Okay. So today we are going to, yes, type a text. Okay. So before that, yes, let's see which keys we have to use. Okay. While writing the text in a notepad. So to enter data in notepad file, the first is use enter key to move to a new line. See, I'll show you this. Use enter key to move to a new line. Then use shift key to type star, arrows and inverted comma symbols and capital letters. Now with the help of shift key we can type this, yes, star, arrows, inverted commas and capital letters. Okay. The third is use function key F5. Use function key F5 to insert date and time. If we want to insert date and time, we can use the function key F5. Okay. Then use arrow keys to move around the text in the file. Okay. So we can use the arrow keys. Arrow keys 4 हैं. So we can use that so that we can move the text in the file. Okay. Then use backspace or delete key to erase unwanted text. We can, yes, use the two keys, backspace or delete, so that if we don't want the text, गलती से text जो हमने टाइप किया है वो गलत हो गया है. Okay, so we can use these keys. Okay, so yes, you have to pay attention. I am explaining you how you can use this. Yes, with the help of the keyboard. Okay. Okay, so students, we have, yes, read out the keys which we are using. Okay, so as you can see, this is the, yes, keyboard of laptop. Okay, so the same thing is also there if we are using a computer. Okay, so students, I will make you understand this nicely. Please pay attention. Okay, see, these are, see, this F1, F2, F3, F4. These are the function keys. Okay, then this is the delete option. Delete option, and this is the, yes, see, backspace is also there. Delete and backspace. So if the data is unwanted, mistake ho gayi hai, so you can remove that. Okay, with the help of backspace or delete. Right? Now this F5, okay, this F5 we can use for the, yes, date and time. Okay, and see, these are the, yes, words, alphabets are there. Okay, so with the help of this we can use the, yes, we can use the text, we can type the text whatever we want, right? Okay, now see, shift daba ke, okay, this arrow, star, see, here is the star. Okay, see, this star, capital letters है तो हम shift दबा के suppose capital M करना है, so I will press this shift and then M. Okay, then star चाहिए तो shift दबा के I will see star. Okay, now these arrows, with the help of these arrows we can move around our text. Okay, and last is the enter key. Yes, if we want to move to the next line we can use the enter key. And one more thing, my dear students, these are the numbers, right? If we want to enter any number in our text, so with the help of this, we can text it, okay? So I hope this is clear to you, how to use this, okay? And this is my mouse, right? This is the touchpad. If you have mouse, you can use that, right? And if you have laptop, this you can use. You can take the help of your parents, right? So now we will, yes, type the text. Okay students, now you can see on the screen. Okay, so I've already explained you how to open a notepad file, right? So you can see, if your Windows 10 is there, you can type here, okay? Or else see, I have here this way, okay, the notepad. किसी किसी का डेस्कटॉप पे भी होगा, okay? So double click on that and you can open a notepad file, right? So let's just recall, this is the title bar, okay, this whole, okay, and on the left side we have untitled notepad, and on the right side we have minimize, maximize and close option, okay? So here are the file, then edit, format, view, help of the menu bar, okay? So now today we will, yes, type a text on myself, okay? हम myself पे text लिखेंगे, right? So students, you have seen that, okay? आपने about myself के बारे में पढ़ा है first and second standard में, okay? So which are the common points we are writing? कौन से common points लिखते हैं हम? Yes, think of that. Which common points we are using? Yes, first of all name, then okay, where do you live? Yes, in which class you are studying? Okay, so these are the points, right? Now students, okay, so let's start. So now we will write down the heading about myself. Okay, so shift दबा के type A, then B O U T, about, M capital, Y S E L F, C. You can see on the screen about myself, right? Okay, so this is the bigger one, right? Now after doing this, press enter, right? When you will enter, you will come to the next line. Okay, so now write down 1, then dot. Okay, so first of all you will write your name, M capital, my name, N-A-M-E, name is, say for example I am writing Priya, okay, then P should be capital, then surname Agarwal, okay, A capital, G-A-R-W-A-L, full stop. Then again press enter, you will move to the next line, second point, right? See, about myself, then first point we have written the name, then I L-I-V-E, okay, live in A-D-I-P-U-R, A should be capital, I live in Adipur, okay, full stop. Students, you have to, yes, keep the space, right? My के बाद space छोड़नी है, then name के बाद भी space, इसके बाद भी space, that way, okay? In the second point also, I के बाद space छोड़नी है, okay? So in the sentence, you have to leave the space. Then third point, yes, I am writing I study in S capital, then T dot Xavier apostrophe S, Xavier's School, okay, right? So I study in St. Xavier's School. This is my third point. Then again enter. fourth point, dot. Now here I am writing about my best friend. My best friend, FRIEND. Okay, see, मैंने F लिख दिया था. Okay, so that was wrong, right? So I have backspace that. Okay, my best friend is Riya, right? Riya, my best friend is Riya. So this is the fourth point. Once again, press enter, then fifth point, right? My best friend is Riya. So now at the last point, I will write anything about my like, dislike, about my favorite cartoon character, about my favorite game. Okay, so I am writing, I like to play football. Okay, I like to play football. Okay, so students, now we have written the text about myself here, right? So now pay attention. The next topic in your textbook is how to change, yes, the font of this, right? So let's see that. Okay, see, I'll show you. Okay, so now in the textbook the topic is to change font. Okay, so now how to change font. Okay, some points are there. Let's see that. 3 options of font dialog box are explained here. Now students, in the menu bar format का option है. Format के option में आता है font dialog box. Okay, so 3 points are there which we will understand. Okay, so the first point is the font option is used to change the type of text displayed. Whatever text you want to display, font option में आप choose कर सकते हो. You can change that. Okay, then the font style option is used to give italics or bold effects. Yes, near the font option, font style option is there in which you can, yes, give the effects of italics or bold. Then the third point is size option is used to increase or decrease the size of the text. Now if you want to increase the size or decrease the size, so size option है, text को आप increase कर सकते हो, decrease भी कर सकते हो. Okay, so let's see this how it is going to happen in the notepad. Okay, so now notepad. Okay, here. See, now in the menu bar format hai, click on that, then font is there. Okay, see, now this is the font option. Many options are there, right? You can take the different options for the font. Then here nearby that font style is there. Okay, light, light italic, regular, italic, bold, bold italic. These are the effects. And then the size. Size hai from 8 to, yes, 72. Okay, see, and then here this is the sample. If you are selecting the font, then font style and the size, it will appear here in a sample form. Okay, then after that we have to click on the OK. Okay, so now in your textbook, yes, example is there. Okay, so let's see that. See, give the following effects to the file you created. Now we have created the file of about myself. हमने जो टेक्स्ट में टेक्स्ट है वो हमने टाइप नहीं किया है. हमने आज इजी टेक्स्ट सीखा है about myself. Only 5 sentences. Okay, so let's see what we need to change in that. Select Vardhana as font. Okay, then select italics as font style. Okay, then select 48 as size, and then the last one is click OK button. Okay, and see the result. So let's see that, right? See here. Okay, so format, then font. I am just repeating the sentences. Okay, so students, here you have two options. See here, you can see the cursor. You can backspace this and you can type that font VER. देखो VER type करोगे so ये आ जाएगा. Okay, so click on that. Then we have to make it italic. Italic. Okay, then size is 48, right? So 48. So it will look like this way. Okay, then click on the OK. See, it's bigger in size. Okay, right? So this way we have to change the font. Okay. Now students, suppose I am selecting this first. Okay, shift दबा के आप इसको पूरे को drag करो. Right? Now my dear students, if I want to change the font of this style, okay, so I will click on the format, then font. Okay, so if I am doing it, yes, this second option you can see here on the screen. Okay, I will choose the other one, right? Simple one. Times New Roman. Okay, I am selecting on that. See, this way it will appear. Okay, so when I am clicking it, okay, so the whole text will get changed, right? This is the disadvantage of this notepad. आप पर्टिकुलर किसी भी टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करके अगर फॉन्ट चेंज करते हो सो वो पूरा टेक्स्ट जो आपने लिखा है उसको चेंज कर देता है. सिर्फ सिंपल यू कैन सी दिस ब्लू लाइन को हमने चेंज करना चाहा बट इट डिडंट हैपन. ओके, सो दिस इज द ड्रॉबैक ऑफ दिस notepad, right? Now once again we will click on the format, then font. Okay, then this. Okay. Now my dear students, I want to save this. Okay, मुझे ये सेव करना है, right? So now why we are saving this? Yes, we can use this file for the future use. Okay, suppose if any mistake is there, so if save किया होगा तो आप open करके इसमें changes कर सकते हो, right? So click on the file, then save option is there. Okay, now in the save option click here, then backspace it. Okay, so now here you can write the file name myself. Okay, what you will write the file name myself. Okay, then save it. See, this way आपका फाइल का नेम आ जाएगा myself. Okay, now you can close this. Okay, now once again I want to reopen this file. Okay, this is the screen which I was showing to you, right? Now once again I want to open this notepad file. कुछ mistake हो गई थी मेरे से, I want to see. Okay, by chance if any mistake is there I want to see. So we have saved this. अब save वाली file हमें open करनी है. Okay, so once again click on the file. Okay, then select option. So here on the screen you can see this myself text document is there. Double click on that, it will open this. Okay, see now I want to check मैंने सब सही लिखा है कि नहीं. About myself, my name is Priya Agarwal, I live in Adipur, I study in St. Xavier School, my best friend is Riya, I like to play football. Okay, so see mistake is there, मैंने dot नहीं लगाया, so I will put a dot. Okay, then again I will save this file, save. Okay, so मैंने save वाली file open की and in that I have made the changes. Okay, so my dear students, in this chapter you have to study about the notepad, how to type that, how to change the font, how to save that and how to make changes in the saved file. Okay, so this was, yes, this was all about our today's class. Okay, do practice this. Okay, you can take the help of your parents, right? If any doubt is there, you can ask me during the live session. Okay, I will solve the doubt there live. Okay, so do practice this. Have a nice day. Thank you.